Hello everyone, my name is Choo. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and today we are going to be playing more Choo Charles. If you see the last one, we just basically got more scrap and more stuff to defeat Charles. So without further ado, let's get on right with the video. And we got some new colors, and Charles kind of screwed me over at the end. He came out of nowhere. It was garbage. But let's see what we have to do today. Where we at? Oh crap. Okay. Little Tiki Man. I think that's what it's called. I don't remember. Hopefully. It's raining. Hey, Miss.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you.
It was Eugene.
There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train. Here's the key, and although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help. Anyone not wearing a mask, that is. Check out the balcony, and take whatever you can use. Good luck with everything.
Why are you out here? You're just standing there protecting your property. There's no monster train. Also, thank you for the scrap. If I can even get up there. Miss, you have no business. Oh, thank you a lot. I don't want to eat that. Bye, Miss. Get back inside your home. Cause this train is built for killing monsters. Alright, I'm gonna do these two. See what this guy wants first. I'm gonna stop right here. I don't wanna stop. I think I got all the eggs. Do I got all the eggs? This should be a good place. I already did a mission for you. Please don't they show up. Please don't they show up. Again, more people are outside. You a witch? You are a witch.
Well, hello, darling. I'm making a fresh stew with ingredients from my very own swamp. But I don't have any meat at the moment. I smell a carcass on the island in the swamp, and if you wait over there and bring it back for me, I'll pay you some scraps. Although, you'll need to be wary of Barry, the swamp monster.
There's more monsters.
Keep an eye out for him splashing around, and don't move if he gets close to you. As long as you stand still, he's as kind as a kitten.
God damn it. Ah, this is gonna suck. Okay, let's see. Can I jump? Nice looking fish. Alright, time to swim back. Oh, thank God. It was your dumb little fish.
What a delicacy you found. Here are those scraps I offered. Have a safe night, little one.
Alright, later, dessert. Let me get back on my train. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Please let me know, Charles. I already had enough dealing with one monster. At least until I get back on my train. Oh, more scrap. Thank you very much. We're back to our greatest achievement. Greatest asset. Let's see what this person has to offer. This guy. Or Miss. Hey man, damn, we got a nice little fort here. This guy's set. Oh, never mind. Your house is burning down.
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, that has slightly backfired. Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang. I would love to save the shed though. If a flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it. I'd assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
I could have a flamethrower. You bet, old man. Alright. Let's give it to this old guy's fire. There's no way it can't be that simple. Apparently it was. What's this? A new bucket of paint. Where's my damn fluoride? Wait.
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo! Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this, I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Shoot dang. I think so, man. Be safe in this crazy little world. Crazy little island. Alright, let's go back. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, damn it. Everything else is pretty far away. Let's go with this other weapon. Whee! Excuse me. Oh my god, what is that?
Paul asked me to design a new weapon to help you hunt Charles. And using my extensive demolitions experience, I made this rocket launcher. I've been wanting to see Warren's empire crumble for a long time. So building this puppy was a hell of an opportunity. Now that you're here, I need a few minutes to remove some safety features. While I'm working on that, why don't you bring that box of rocket ammunition back here from inside the bunker down the rail?
Damn it, it's down there. I gotcha. Yeah, I knew it. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be hostile enemies there too. I believe we can shoot them like the last one. I can just run them out of train and just start shooting them. Oh, so how'd you get the parts to build a rocket launcher? Is this dynamite? Oh, crap. Hold on just a second. My train. Alright, so that for everyone. Let's see. Okay, everything's going good. Let me go back a little bit. Perfect. I got a piece of dynamite. That's always good. Oh, yep. Oh man, I thought I was gonna go down here. Kind of garbage. I was nowhere near it. Also, was a bunch of blood everywhere. Rockets. I mean, that's a good thing. I mean, that means I didn't have. No one was here. It's kind of cool though. We gotta blow stuff up. And we're about to get a rocket launcher. I'm hearing stuff. I'm on my way, man, with your rocket parts. I really gotta stop doing that. But first, let me get this real quick.
The launcher is in complete working order, so I'll let you take it from here. Oh, and take good care of it. After you're done, I have a few people to visit with it if you catch my drift.
Damn, my apologies. I'll bring back your rocket launcher. Right before I rob you some more. Alright, I'm out of this dump. Let's see my brand new damage. Whew. Look out, Charles. The reload so slow. But I feel like this is gonna be a perfect time to end off right here. Having a full artillery for Charles. I will see y'all all in the next one. Bye. Yeah, I am cutting a bit short too.